If your numerology calculation led you to Life Path 5, congratulations. You are the rolling stone, the free spirit, and the ultimate adventurer of the cosmic spectrum. While other numbers are focused on building structures or maintaining the status quo, the 5 energy is here to shake things up, ask the hard questions, and experience everything this physical world has to offer. Often called the freedom seeker or the visionary, the 5 vibration is fueled by curiosity, change, and an insatiable zest for life. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive into the dynamic core personality traits of Life Path 5 and discover how to channel this whirlwind energy into a life of purpose and profound experience. 1. The core engine: freedom, adaptation, and change. The absolute driving force behind a Life Path 5 is a craving for total personal freedom. You do not just tolerate change, you thrive on it. The ultimate shapeshifter, you have an uncanny ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to entirely new environments, cultures, or careers at a moment's notice. Aversion to routine. A standard 9-to-5 desk job or a highly repetitive routine feels like a cage to your soul. You need variety to feel truly alive. The explorer mindset, whether it's traveling to a remote corner of the globe, trying an exotic cuisine, or diving headfirst into a brand new philosophy, you are always searching for the next grand experience. 2. The mindset: curiosity, charisma, and quick wit. Life Path 5s are incredibly magnetic individuals. Your mind moves at lightning speed, making you excellent conversationalists and natural storytellers. Social chameleons. You can seamlessly blend into any crowd, from high society gatherings to bohemian art circles. People are naturally drawn to your vibrant, high-energy aura. Innate curiosity. Your brain operates like a sponge. You want to know how the world works, why people tick, and what lies just beyond the horizon. Multi-talented visionaries. Because you sample so many different aspects of life, you often pick up a wide array of skills, making you a true jack of all trades. The shadow side: restlessness and deeper focus. With great freedom comes great responsibility. The intense pacing of the 5 energy can sometimes spiral out of control if it isn't anchored properly. The struggle with commitment. Because you always worry that a better opportunity might be around the corner, committing to a single career path, project, or long-term relationship can trigger a sense of claustrophobia. The trap of escapism. When life becomes boring or overly restrictive, 5s are prone to overindulgence, sensory overload, or running away from problems rather than facing them. Scatterbrained energy. You might start 10 exciting new projects with boundless enthusiasm, only to abandon them the moment the initial novelty wears off. Purpose and career. Innovation and communication. The Life Path 5 isn't here to follow a path that was built by someone else. You are here to forge your own. You excel in careers that offer autonomy, travel, and public interaction. Natural communicators. Your charisma makes you exceptional in sales, marketing, public relations, travel blogging, or content creation. The entrepreneurial itch. Many 5s find their ultimate fulfillment in running their own businesses, allowing them to set their own rules and pivot whenever inspiration strikes. Cosmic tip for the 5. True freedom doesn't mean a lack of discipline. In fact, establishing just a tiny bit of daily routine gives you the stable launchpad you need to take even bigger risks. Focus on depth just as much as you focus on breadth. Are you a Life Path 5? How do you manage your love for adventure with the demands of everyday life?